Welcome back to another action-packed ActionScript 3.0 video tutorial using Adobe Flash Professional CS6. To begin, I'm going to go ahead and click on ActionScript 3.0, and we're going to start off with a new file. This video is going to cover the topic of movie clips. I have not mentioned anything about movie clips before, but today we are going to learn something new. So let's say I was having a good day, right? Drawing the best ninja guy I've ever drawn ever in my life. You know, he had a nice lean body, some good muscular arms, some, thick legs. He's doing some squats. Bam, we got a ninja dude, right? And let's say I wanted to have another copy of him. Well, you think I could go copy and paste, right? And drag him out, whatever. So now I got two ninja dudes. But let's say I forgot to draw something. I forgot ninjas need belly buttons. So I want to add a belly button to my ninjas. Now I have to draw one here and one here. That's a pain in the butt, right? If you have multiple ninjas, because ninjas don't just usually come in pairs, they come in like armies. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete my second ninja guy, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of his belly button, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight him. So in my selection tool, click and drag, bam, I have my ninja guy selected. What I'm going to do is go to the very top under Modify. There's an option called Convert to Symbol, and it'll bring up a screen like this. Or you can select him, press F8, and now it's asking for a name. Well, I'm going to call him Ninja Dude. You can see we have some other options here. One is type movie clip. There's three types: movie clip, button, and graphic. And pretty much every time for now you're going to want to use movie clip. So make sure it says movie clip. Registration has to do with code. Whatever black dot is selected, or sorry, whichever dot is colored in black, that is where the center point, or where the code is going to begin doing what is it called? Doing any kind of altercations to our thing. So let's say my registration was in the center and I wanted to rotate it. It would rotate around the center, versus if I put it on the bottom left, it would rotate around the bottom left. But that is only with code. So no matter what I make this here, if I go to my free transform tool and try rotating him, he's going to rotate like normal. So I've given this guy a name, given it type movie clip, and I've set the registration to the center. And that's pretty much what you're going to want to do every time. So I'm going to click OK. And now you see my ninja dude is surrounded by a little box. Well, what does that mean? That pretty much means that he's now a movie clip. Well, how do we find out? I'm going to go ahead and go under Window and find my library. There's an icon here on the right side with a couple books leaning against each other. You can just click that there if that's what you prefer. And now you see we have Ninja Dude. Ninja Dude with our name, and there's the drawing of him, and he's looking pretty cool. And now we want to add in a second Ninja Dude. So I'm going to click from my library on the Ninja Dude and just drag him in. So I can drag it from either the name or the actual image. So now I've got two ninja dudes. So now we're in the same scenario we were earlier. Let's say, hey, I want Ninja Dude to have a belly button, right? Well, I'm going to double click on one of my ninja dudes. You can see here, I am no longer under just scene one. I'm under Ninja Dude. So anything I edit now, I'm going to give him a belly button. You can see now, that's way too big. So now whenever I edit Ninja Dude, the copy of Ninja Dude is also changed. So I gave him a belly button. Now this guy has a belly button too. And let's say, I don't know, I wanted his shirt to be dark gray, right? I double clicked on my Ninja Dude. So you can see now, I'll do that one more time. I'm inside Ninja Dude. I'm going to use my paint bucket tool, click, and now he's got a colored belly. So whenever we have movie clips, they're stored in the library, and every time we have a copy of him, whatever change we make to one, it'll make to the others. But that's only when we're inside the movie clip. And I can even show that with layers. So I can create a new layer. So I'll say Ninja L for layer 2. Now if I go back, you can see I have my stage layer. Now if I double click on any of these ninja guys, I have my layer 1 and my ninja layer 2. So any change you make inside of a movie clip affects all other copies of it. But if you're working outside of the movie clip, let's say I wanted one guy to be upside down, that's not going to affect any of my other ninjas. But let's say you made something a movie clip and, well, you don't really like it anymore, you don't want it to be a movie clip anymore. There's a way to break that apart. And all you have to do is select your movie clip, right click, and click break apart. And now my ninja dude's back to his former glory, where I can edit him like he was just a drawing. So now since I've broken this guy apart, I'm going to go ahead and make his belly red. Now you can see these other ninjas don't change. And that's because he is no longer a copy of my ninja dude movie clip. If you notice when I click on any of these other ones on the top right, it says instance of ninja dude. So I got my second ninja dude. I'm going to convert him to a movie clip as well. I'm going to press F8. I'm going to name him Ninja Dude 2. He's a movie clip, registration in the middle. Now you can see underneath my library, I have Ninja Dude and Ninja Dude 2. So now I can have multiple Ninja Dude 2s. And I'm like, man, now I want him to be blue. I think well, now he's completely blue, but I think you get the point, right? So inside I can have layers, I can have colors, I can do whatever I want, and it's going to affect every copy. But now let's say I wanted to get rid of my blue ninja dude. Say I created him, I don't want him anymore, I don't need him. I'm going to go ahead and delete him. You think he's gone forever, right? Wrong. If I go underneath my library, you can see I still have Ninja Dude 2. And if I wanted him back, I can just drag him back on, and now we have a blue Ninja Dude army again. I'm going to go ahead and delete all three of those. If I want to permanently delete a movie clip so that I can no longer ever get it back ever again, I have to go into my library, click on this trash can here, and click delete. So just be aware that if you create a bunch of movie clips and you accidentally created one, you want to get rid of it, try and get rid of them from the library as well, just because you don't want all this extra stuff getting thrown into your game code. It'll make it take longer to load. It'll be really confusing to look at. But wait, there's more. One other little thing about movie clips. Imagine movie clips are a container. You can put things inside of them, right? Movie clips can actually hold other movie clips. So let's say my ninja guy needed a sword. I'm going to go ahead and, well, I'm going to draw him a sword. So I'm going to draw something like that, and it's got the handle, and there you go, the best sword in the world. I'm going to go ahead and convert my sword to a movie clip by selecting it and pressing F8. So I'm going to say it's sword, movie clip, registration in the center, click OK. Now if I go under my library, I have Ninja Dude and I have sword. So that's cool and all, right? But I said that I wanted my Ninja Dude to have my sword. He wants to be holding it, he wants to be a part of the movie clip. Well, I have two individual movie clips. I can actually turn these two individual movie clips into one movie clip. So if I select Ninja Dude and the sword, tap F8, I'm going to call it Ninja Dude with sword, movie clip, registration center, click OK. Now you can see, now you can see that I have one box encompassing both my Ninja Dude and my sword. So if I go under the library, I have Ninja Dude, sword, and Ninja Dude with sword. So if I drag Ninja Dude with sword, I get him with the sword. If I get just Ninja Dude, just get Ninja Dude, sword, just sword. Makes a lot of sense, right? But now if I double click on my Ninja Dude with sword, you can see I have my sword movie clip and my Ninja Dude movie clip. So if I go into my Ninja Dude from within that, now I'm back into my Ninja Dude movie clip. And if I change anything about him, well, can you imagine what happens? It gets changed for all my other Ninja Dudes. So imagine it's like a container of Tupperware, and you can take a movie clip, put a movie clip inside of a movie clip, and add layers and frames and do a lot of stuff to it. The only thing you can't do is add the same movie clip inside itself, because then it would just keep going on forever and ever and ever and ever. And if you remember earlier when I said you can break things apart, well, here's a very useful way of breaking things apart. So basically, if you break something apart, it's the same as putting it back to the stage where, or the state where you double click on it. So if I go ahead and break this apart, I have my movie clip sword and I have my movie clip ninja dude. And I will still have both of them together in my library if I want to use that in the future. So be aware of how all this works. It'll be very useful in the future. And I'll see you in the next video.